Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change and replace the vacuum bag on your Roomba Plus 505. This will work for all 500 series Roombas if your station looks like this. If you're interested in the 505 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the station, we have a removable cover that we can just grab and pull towards us from the top. Just those two tabs keep it in place. That reveals our vacuum bag storage. So if you're just getting this for the first time, you should have an extra one in there, and then your main one, which is probably going to be full. So take the full one, just gently pull it out. You can discard it, and then we can very easily take our new vacuum bag and repeat that in reverse order. But you just line it up like so, and then just gently press it down in place. And when you remove the vacuum, more than likely this tab will be like that to prevent any contents to start leaking out of there. You don't want to start spreading dirt and dust all around your house again. So make sure that's shut when you remove it. You can also use compressed air and inspect in here for any clogs or extra debris and clean that out of the way. Then you just take your new bag, gently press it right in like so. Then you can take the cover. They even have instructions for you here showing you how to do that. Line up those two tabs at the bottom, and it just gently presses back on. But that's it. That's how you change the vacuum bag for the iRobot Roomba Plus 505.